canned new potatoes, half a cup of frozen green beans, adding half a bag of frozen green peas. I'm going to start with a jar, just a small jar, 6.5 ounces, not a giant jar of ready-made basil pesto. Whole jar in. Mush all of these together so every little part gets covered in that yummy pesto. A cup of freshly trimmed fresh basil. That gets sprinkled right on in. Some toasted sliced almonds. So you can actually use pine nuts or hazelnuts instead if you don't have almonds around. Mix this all together. 1 whole tablespoon of lemon juice. So you can actually squeeze your lemons, but I like having a bottle of this around. I'm just going to add just another half tablespoon. I'm going to mix this together. Make sure that the lemon juice gets all combined. And then we're just going to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil just to kind of add that extra little olive oil flavor. Then, as always, a little black pepper and some salt. And then, at the very end, we're going to mix in some Parmesan shredded cheese. By starting with a pesto and then adding some of these ingredients, like the fresh ingredients on top, is going to take this salad to the next level. And this is going to go in the fridge and sit for about an hour so that all these flavors can get all combined. Let's do a little taste test. It's been sitting in the fridge for a little bit, so all the flavors can come together. Like I said, this is a no mayo, fresh springtime potato salad. It's like a French potato salad. That's really good. If you like pesto pasta, this is like another way of having like those kinds of flavors. It's so fresh. I think next time you have a springtime picnic, this is the potato salad you should be putting out. I hope that you make this at home too, and thanks for watching.